All right, this is it, guys. This is Coach Darwin. Welcome to Chawi Sports Center for the first Chawi Sports Center Classic Hardbat National Open Championship Tournament, only here at Chawi Sports Center, Iloilo City. This is the final round for battle for third and fourth. Coach Rico versus Coach Ponte.
Yung mga player natin.
Score is now 1-4 favor of Coach Rico versus Coach Ponte. Go to Score is 8-6 favor of Coach Ponte. Ayun. Ang lupit. Ayan na. Silabasan na yung mga tira ni Coach Ponte. All right, standing right now is 1-all in the set. Coach Rogelio Ponte versus Coach Rico Camerin. Score right now is 1-3 favor of Coach Ponte. Nice shots. Uy, bumalik yung bola. Galing. Uy, sumangit. Sablay, konti. Uy, galing. Score right now is 3-8 favor of Coach Ponte. Nako, sayang. Tipiyas ng konti. Oh, what a shot by Coach Ponte. 5-11. Yun. Okay, standing right now is 2-1 favor of Coach Rogelio Ponte. Fourth set. Nice, ganda. Yun, yun. Oh, kinapos ng cutting. Very nice by Coach Rico Camering. Yo, wow, what a one blow shots by Coach Ponte. Outside. Yun, no? Grabe. Wow, that fade away. Right. Four five. Score right now is 4-5 favor of Coach Rico. 4-6. Ganda ng ganda ng combination ni Coach Rico. Uy, sayang. Ganda sana ng push block ng backhand. Follow up sa forehand. Konting hagod pa. Outside. Uy, very nice placement of Coach Rogelio. 7-8 favor of Coach Rico. Uy, pasok. Isa pa. Iba, pambihira. Antikos talaga. Iba talaga yung palo ni President ng Philippine Classic Hardbat. Coach Ponte. Ayun. Pasok. Pasok pa. Pumasok uli. Wow! Nice shots. Grabe, grabe, grabe. This game is very undisputed, guys. Titignan nyo, grabe yung labanan. Naliligo na yung bawat isa sa pawis. Ayun, nako, gigil. Gigil na pag gigil yung execution ng flat hit. Yun. Alright. Score right now is 9-10. Favor of Coach Rico. Lamang ng isa. Ayun. Oy, 10-all. Ito na, ito na. Patindi ng patindi ang labanan. Alam nyo guys, kung gusto nyo physically fit, dito kayo sa hardbat. Kasi, kung pawis pag-uusapan, nasabi ko sa inyo, papawisan kayo buong katawan. At hindi lang yan, kasi lahat ng katawan nyo gumagalaw eh. Hindi kagaya pag rubber, pwede kayong push block. Eh dito hindi mo pwede push block, kailangan mo talaga hatawin kasi hindi mo mapapatransfer yung bola sa kabila. Score right now is 12-all. Oh naku, sumangit po sa net. Ayun. may mekos na si coach natin. Alright. Alright. May kasamang orasyon, di pa taranta. Alright. Ang galing ng mga umpires natin yan, no? Ay. Yun. Pangtanggal ng sumpa. Grabe. Effective nga. Ang bihira. Tigas. Gawin ko nga rin kaya yun. Di ba? Ihihipan ko yung net para at least sumabay sa ano. Sumabay sa akin. Boom! Pasok po. Grabe. 13-14. Favor of Coach Rico. Ayun, sobrang gigil. Alright, deciding match. Standing 2-all. This game is brought to you by Kawi Sports Center, kung saan marami pwedeng paglaruan dito, guys. Table tennis, dart, chess, and ano pa? Billiard. Alright. Thank you very much. We would like to thank to Boss Toto Paul and Ma'am Chawi Harder for your big support, and also to Pres Jerk Bonilla and Ma'am Teng Bonilla. This is the deciding match. Outside. Alright, 1-all. Oh, yes. Sayang. Etong laro to, guys, parang ano eh. Draw to eh. So pag mahina loob mo dito at saka mahina yung tuhod mo dito, guys, malulugi ka dito. Oh. Talas ng paningin, reflexes mo, yung footwork mo, stamina. So sabihin na lang natin, all of the above. Yun. Dito, hindi ka pwedeng mag-relax. Kailangan mo talagang humataw, dumiskarte. Alright, kasi yung bola, hindi mo alam yung ikot eh. Yun oh. Oh, di ba? Grabe. Kailangan talaga meron kang setup of play. Game plan. Yun. Score right now is 3-5 favor of Coach Rogelio Fonte from Manila City. Yun, nice shot. Uy! Naku! Kinapos lang yun, kinapos lang. Diba? Grabe yung reflexes nila, napakabilis. Chains favor 6-5 in favor of Coach (7-5) favor of Coach Rico. Grabe yun guys, yun yung pinakamasakit sa lahat yung edge ball eh. Woo, grabe, pag binibuenas ka talaga. Ayun na. Kaya shout out dyan sa mga tropa natin dyan, mga lihador sa Cebu, Iligan, yung mga hardbat players natin dyan, mga tropang hardbaterong pingpongeros, kina Idol Pogi, at saka yung mga ano natin dyan, yung mga katropa natin, Sir Jamer Bundok, and then Sir Mario Maclan, and other pa, taga Iligan, Bohol. Ano pa ang iniintay nyo? Punta na kayo dito, arat na kayo dito sa Chawi Sports Center. Alright. At least makapag-enjoy kayo at nice experience playing here at Chawi Sports Center. Score right now is 5-9 favor of Coach Rico. Cameron. Hmm. 10-5. All right. Oh, yun. Pwede pa, pwede pa. 6-11. Ayun. 7-11 guys. Score. In favor of Coach Rico. Alright. Nako, 8-11. Talagang hindi mo talaga masasabi na lamang ka na. Kasi iba yung ikot ng bola eh. Ayun! Pasok! Ayun! Ayun! Ay! My gulay! Grabe talaga! 9-11! Alain mo yun! Ito yung pinaka-antay natin guys, ano? Matindi! Woohoo! Higpitan to ng ano? Kahigpitan to ng sinturon. Boss Toto, Paul, Ma'am Chawi. Pag andito kayo, mag-i-enjoy kayo. Nanonood ng ano, live. Ooh, what a shot! That was slam dunk by Coach Rogelio Ponte. Woohoo! Grabe, 10-11 from 7-11. Pusang gala. Pero, ayun. Ayun pa. Uy, kinapos yung bote. Ayun na. Palapit na naman palapit. Napakadikit ng score. Score right now is 10-12. Favor of Coach Rico. Lamang ng dalawa. Pangtanggal lang yun ng ano, pangtanggal, guys, pangtanggal lang yun ng nervyos at kaba. Alright? So, walang personalan yan. Pangtanggal lang ng nervyos at kaba yan. Wow! Woo! Grabe! Woo-hoo-hoo! Palakpakan dyan! Alright! Woo! Back to you, Coach. Coach Darwin. Patindi ng patindi ang labanan. Grabe. Woo! Fight! This game is everybody's game, guys. Alright. Ayun, pasok. Ito na. 12-14. Nako. Meron ba diyang medic? Alright. Meron ba diyang medic? Alright. Parang kailangan ng mouth-to-mouth repetition, Boss Toto Puldita. Alright. Uy, ayun na. Lumabas. 13-14. Ako, kinakabahan na ako. BP po dyan, BP. I need medic. Woo! Matindi. Rico versus Coach Ponte. All right. Second runner-up goes to Coach Rico, and the third runner-up goes to Coach Rogelio Ponte from Manila. Nice game, everybody. Nice game. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, get ready for the final round between us. Sir Felipe Epitacio and Joseph Cruz. All right.